Minister Tejasvi Surya and the Government of Karnataka. I'd like to hand over to the founder of Ramp My City, Pratik Khandelwal. He's a social entrepreneur and founder of Ramp My City, a pioneering initiative making public spaces accessible for persons with disabilities and the elderly. After a spinal injury in 20, Ramp My City has made over 600 public places accessible across major Indian cities through ramps, toilets, swings.
Pride to be here at the iconic and historic Lal Bagh, which not only represents the beauty and the heritage of Bengaluru, but also its growing spirit of inclusion. We have gathered here for the inauguration of the wheelchair accessible toilet, a toilet which will enable access to hundreds and thousands of visitors to Lal Bagh who may be facing some mobility impairments. This is the message to them that they are not left behind. The support of the Australian Consulate, and I would like to extend my gratitude to His Excellency Philip Green for supporting us for this project and for making it come to life. Your commitment towards accessibility and for disability inclusion goes further than just diplomacy. It is a strong statement that accessibility is everybody's. I would also like to thank Honorable Member of Parliament Shri Tejasvi Surya for his support that has been instrumental in guiding us and shaping what Ramp My City has sought out 4 years back when we started partnering with him. Under his leadership, we have made more than 100 locations in Bengaluru South wheelchair accessible, where people on wheelchairs, children on strollers, pregnant women, all have access. I saw that Bengaluru, having almost population of 1.3 to 1.4 CR, has almost 10 lakhs people who face some kind of a locomotor disability. When I looked into the laws, I saw the government of India has work. Nothing was being done on ground to really give or to generate any hope. That is when Ramp My City was born. To bring in, we can be the organization that actually does the infrastructure, then waiting for any third party to do it.
We consider you a part of Bengaluru. The ever supportive Director of Horticulture, Lal Bagh, Jagdish Khandelwal, who leads the way, inspires so many young people that one should rise above the challenges, limitations, and actually contribute so much to society. This isn't the first time we are doing something, Pratik. It's been almost 4 years, and I have personally witnessed your sincerity, dedication to this cause, and congratulations to you and the whole team for making this happen, and more power to you and all those people behind you, your parents, your family, for actually supporting you in this journey. Friends, this is a very interesting event today because we have 4 or 5 different stakeholders who have come together to make this happen. The government has come together to support him. You have the representatives from the state government of Karnataka who have supported this. Elected representative, my office has supported him. And the cherry on the cake is the support that we have got from the Australian Consul General's office here in Bengaluru. And like you were remarking, the location of the accessible toilet is also beneath this acacia tree, what we here call Nilgiri trees, which is so symbolic of Australia. And I think this is a very interesting initiative also because, like Pratik said, accessibility, inclusivity also demonstrates the sensitivity, growth and maturity of a society. And the fact that we have received support from you to make this happen is a testament to the growing friendship between the two nations, and I wish that this only continues much further, in especially areas which have direct impact on people's life like this. 3 times a year.
We are on a strong uptick in our bilateral relations between Australia and India. It's a focus country. It's a country of great importance to us, and it's a country which we think has a huge future, and Australia wants to be part of it. As a core element of our recent uptick with India, we have established a new Consulate General here in Bengaluru. I'm delighted that our first Consul General to Bengaluru has not wasted time to make a big effort. Although she's still working out of a hotel, she doesn't yet have a proper office, although that is being outfitted as we speak.
Story is enormously inspiring to so many people, and indeed to us. Has been a visitor to our city, as a dear friend to many Australian High Commissioners and to the Australian community here in India. What we're doing today is really very important. We talk about inclusion, but to me, initiatives like this are about freedom. They're about freedom for people with disabilities to live a life like those that the rest of us take for granted. The freedom to be able to move around a city and enjoy a beautiful space like this, and to be able to take advantage of what a city like this has to offer.
भारत में ऑलमोस्ट 10 करोड़ लोग हैं जो पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटीज़ हैं, एंड भारत का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अभी उन लोगों को अलाउ नहीं करता है कि वो बाहर आके एक आम आदमी की ज़िंदगी जी सकें. हमारा विजन ये है कि मोर एंड मोर पब्लिक प्लेसेस, चाहे वो स्कूल्स हों, हॉस्पिटल्स हों, मेट्रो स्टेशन हो, एयरपोर्ट्स हो, बैंक्स हो, ATMs हो, कोई कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग हो, ऑफिस हो, घर हो, हम सब जगह पे एक्सेसिबिलिटी लाना चाहते हैं ताकि कोई भी आदमी जिसको कोई पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी हो वो भी एक आम इंसान की जगह अपनी ज़िंदगी जी सके.
सर, बेंगलुरु का कोई वो है कि अभी नेक्स्ट विजन का चलेगा सभी इंडिया में? आप
बैंगलोर में हमने मोर देन 300 लोकेशंस को किया है, और ऑल ओवर इंडिया हमारा 700 लोकेशंस है अक्रॉस 8 सिटीज़. बेंगलोर, मुंबई, पुणे, दिल्ली, गुड़गांव, गोवा, कोच्चि, मैसूर, इन सब जगह पे रामा सिटी काम कर रहा है.
तो सरकार वो आपका साथ है सर?
सरकार
कह रहा था इसलिए.
हाँ, सरकार हमारा साथ देता है. साथ में हम कॉर्पोरेट से CSR फंडिंग भी उठाते हैं, जिसके थ्रू हम सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स को एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं. मेरा नाम है प्रतीक खंडेलवाल, founder of Ramp My City.
Well, the Australian government is just delighted to be working with Ramp My City and with Honourable Surya to develop this new capability for a facility here in Lalbagh, which will allow people with disability to enjoy this place in the way that they should. For us, this is a question of freedom, to allow people with disabilities to live the sort of lives that the rest of us take for granted. And so I'm delighted that my Consul General here, Hilary Magici, has been able to work with other stakeholders here to make this place more available for people with disabilities. I think it's a great opportunity and the sort of thing that we would like to do more of in the future.
Yeah, thank you.